Hi, let's begin with the introduction of robot. Do you know what is the definition of robot and why we call it as a robot? The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which it means a drudgery or a slave, like a labor. Where are robots being used? Actually, it is about 90% of all robots used today are found in factory. The robots are referred to as industrial robot. What is the definition of industrial robot? An industrial robot is defined as a automatically controlled in 3 or more axis machine. Then, it also can be reprogrammable. Industrial robot also must be multifunctional manipulator, and it also must have a various program motion. And lastly, an industrial robot can give a performance of a variety of tasks. Do you know that the first modern industrial robot were developed by George Devil and his partner Joseph Engelberger in the early 60s? Now we go to the area of manufacturing, where the industrial robots are used. First, the industrial robots are being used in aerospace industry. Second, it also been used in automotive industry. Next, it also used in the chemical and plastic manufacturing. Then, in electrical and electric industry, also been used in printing industry. Next, in entertainment and movie making, and lastly, in furniture manufacturing. Why most of the industry prefer using an industrial robotic other than using a human labor? It is because an industrial robotic has many advantages compared with human. The first advantage is an industrial robotic have the ability to work continuously without pause, unlike a human labor that need a break. By working 24 hours per day, the production is increased by the utilization of the robot in the industry application. Then, the industrial robotic also will tend to work well compared with a human labor. They have been set to work based on their skill. By using the industrial robotic, the company do not need many workers anymore. The company also do not need to spend the money to the worker salary. An industrial robot can do a job in most instances in speed multiple times faster than human. And the last advantage is for the working environment. In the working environment, an industrial robotic can work in the hazardous condition. It also can perform in a dangerous task without any risk of death, and also can lift a heavy load without any injury. An industrial robotic also have a few disadvantages. First, the company that want to use an industrial robotic, it will be a high initial cost of a robotic system and robot. Next, if the robotic replace a certain worker, it can cause an economy loss because humans do not have job anymore to work. Then, we go to the limitation of the industrial robot. Firstly, robot cannot think independently. Second, robot also cannot learn from mistake. Next, robot cannot make a complicated decision without human. And lastly, robots are not creative or innovative compared with a human level.